In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to create a guest using the event programming tool. Let's jump into the platform and take a look. After logging in, go to the event programming section in the toolbar and select guest. Here you will see a list of any previously added guest. To add a new guest, click New Guest. Add the guest's personal information on the Personal Information tab. Then, add the guest's contact information on the Contact Information tab. The Marketing Information tab is where you can add information to promote the guest, including a known for section, social and IMDb links, and a bio. Lastly, you can add an agent for the guest on the Agents tab. You can select from a previously added agent in the Agent drop-down menu, or add a new one by selecting Add. For this example, we're going to add a new agent. You can also add an agency representing this guest. Once you're finished, click Next.